Adding doors is really easy. We're going to first add interior doors. Here's the doors, and we're going to choose from the types that's already loaded a type of a door. So now I'm going to look at the single flush door. I would like it 2 feet 6 inches. So that's 30 inches by 80. So that's this one. So I'm going to place it over here. Notice how it actually places it smack in the middle, right there. And if you would like to change it, you could actually come back here. That's for my mechanical, and I like that to be larger. So instead of 30 inches, I like to be 36 inches, so a little bit wider, so I can place my equipment. Then I'm going to go back again to the door, and I like to go back to the 30 inches, so it goes like here, smack in the middle, smack. And it'll choose it. It has intelligence. Even when you put it on the corner, it'll make a decision where is a good place for you to make, and you can always come back and change it. So it's giving me about 4 inches on the inside here. I may decide to actually place it slightly different location. So here I'm going to go on the inside, and right there it's a little bit too close, so I'm going to plug it back in here. So you could always come back and change it. So these are the closet doors that I wanted to make. For the front door, it's a little bit more complex. So these are my typical doors that are actually loaded for me. For my residential front entrance door, I need to go to Component, Place a Model, go to Load a Family. I need to go to it will take me to the library. From the library, I go to then types of doors. So then you type in what you like to have. So go here. Eventually, you get to the doors that you would like to get. So here it is. You go to the residential door, and let's say you want to have an exterior door, which type of door you like to have, whether you want side lights or a double door, and so on. So you'll choose your type of door. Right now I'm just going to choose any door, and I like it to be 36 standard. It'll be like that, and it will allow me to get in and plug in the door the same way right in here. Alrighty, so I'm done with the doors, interior doors right now. We'll come back again with exterior doors.